you had a wreck and do you just go straight to court or you try to mediate out of the gate?
Well, I think it depends on the facts and circumstances of the case. For
Sure.
example, if it's, let me give you an example. If it's an absolute clear liability case, there's no doubt of the liability, it's a matter of how much. Usually that case will mediate quicker than the other. If there's an issue about whether, in a workers' comp case, whether it's compensable or not, in a car wreck case, whether the person's liable or not, there's more of a dispute, there's more complications, and sometimes there may need to be a little discovery, but I have found very few cases do not benefit, or it's always an advantage to mediate a case at some point in time. You might not settle it, but I just don't know of any real downside to mediating a case before going to court, because you have an opportunity to resolve the case, and also you have the opportunity to possibly fashion a settlement or fashion a resolution that the court cannot do. You have so much more creativity to do things a court can't even touch.
I was going to ask a question viewers might want to ask. Is it very expensive to mediate? But you actually should save money mediating rather than going through a long trial or jury trial.
I think in almost all cases, mediation is less expensive than trying the case.
There's only one caveat at the beginning of it. At the beginning, some people can't afford that. It's a pretty high fee compared to filing in court. It's $3,000 or $4,000 for some mediators
Is
up
the fee.
front.
And that is their fee
Can
because
be.
that's what they do.
Well, that's up front.
Yeah.
And if the mediation lasts longer, they charge by
Costs
the
more.
hour. Yeah.
So the filing fee would be more for
But-
mediation, but in the long run,
Yeah, but Steve's right. In the long run, it's a lot less expensive, but the upfront gets you sometimes.
It can.